Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since our last upload, but that doesn't mean we've been sitting still. Over the past few weeks, we've been working on the Mustang consistently. Every week in the workshop, making steady progress behind the scenes. We're Case in Mainder, and in this episode, we'll walk you through what we've been working on lately. We started by welding in the support brackets near the hood area. These brackets connect the chassis of the engine bay to the body of the car, so proper alignment here is critical. Before welding, we carefully measured and positioned each bracket according to the original reference points. Once everything was aligned and secured, we welded them in place using controlled welds to maintain strength while minimizing heat distortion. These connections add rigidity to the front structure and ensure everything lines up correctly moving forward. Trunk lid restoration. Next, we moved on to the trunk lid. As you can see, there was quite a bit of rust damage. Multiple rust holes and weakened sections throughout the panel. We began by cutting out all the affected areas. This step is done very precisely, removing only the corroded metal while preserving as much of the original structure as possible. The corners of the trunk lid were also heavily rusted, so those were carefully cut out as well. Once all the damaged material was removed, we created paper templates to replicate the missing sections. Using these templates, we fabricated new pieces of sheet metal, shaping them to match the original contours. After test fitting and fine-tuning each piece, we welded them into place. We made sure to weld in short intervals to control heat buildup and prevent warping of the panel. Once all replacement sections were fully welded, we ground down the weld seams until they were flush with the surrounding metal. This step is important not only for appearance, but also to restore a smooth, continuous surface that's ready for further finishing. After the metal work was complete and properly cleaned, we applied a coat of primer with anti-corrosion properties. This protects the fresh welds and bare metal from rust and seals the surface for future bodywork and paint. We then repeated the same process on the doors. Just like the trunk lid, we removed all rusted sections, fabricated new metal patches, welded them in, and finished everything by grinding the weld smooth and applying protective primer. It's a time-consuming process, but essential to bring these panels back to solid condition. That's it for this update on the work we've done over the past few weeks. We'll keep making steady progress, and as soon as we have more footage, we'll be uploading again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.